Welcome to Vlogmas, y'all. How I had to start my Sunday morning. Definitely not in the mood at all, at all. Just don't let my car hit their car, please. So the next morning, I called the same tow truck company to come and pick up my vehicle and take me to the Hyundai dealership down the street from my house. We were the first ones there when they opened the gates and the tow truck towed my car in. The guy, the service manager, it's Wednesday. No, it's Tuesday now. I still don't know what's wrong with my car. I went and got a rental. But as you saw in the initial or at the beginning of the video, I think it's something to do with my hybrid system. Hopefully it's covered under the warranty. If not, sometimes being an adult, it sucks so bad. Like, whatever happened to the times when I didn't have to deal with this type of shit? Like, this is so stressful. Like, and on top of that, it's some other stuff going on in life. I mean, I'm just completely overwhelmed right now with this car situation. And, but it's okay. It's going to be all right. Here's my car for the week. As y'all know, my little boo thing, my car, she broke down. So we got to see what the doctor say. But this is my little rental. Okay, so this is the 2021 Let's go back. This is the 2021 Toyota Camry. It's really cute. Something to consider, you know. It's got like 23,000 miles on it. And yeah, so it is a yucky day today, but I'm going to Target. I'll tell you why when we get there. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the fucking shit show. Good morning, how are you? Good. I was here Monday and I dropped off my vehicle, and it's still parked in the exact same place that it was parked on Monday when I had it towed here. I called them yesterday to see if we had any update on what was going on with my vehicle. I was on hold before I hung up for about 30 minutes. What was your name? My name is Laura. And I guess the main problem I'm having is that, I mean, I know that y'all are busy, so I'll take that part out of my head, but it feels like there's no sense of urgency. The car is still parked in the exact same place that it.
Were you not told that it's going to take a while to look at?
No, I was told Monday or Tuesday, and now it's Wednesday. Y'all don't have any loaner vehicles, so that means that I'm having to personally pay for a rental car for people who haven't even looked at my vehicle.
Yeah, it's going to take at least a week for them to look at it.
That's not what Okay. Is
You
dude
want to
over
pick it
there?
up?
How? It don't work. What am I supposed to do with it? I had to tow it here. So I guess the problem I have is that I was told something different. Like it's gonna take a week to look at.
Usually
That's not what they said.
Okay, then you might want to talk to Jonathan. He might know something further with it. That looks like it's your advisor.
What's your name? Thank you, Jayla. I don't know for what, but thank you. Do you have the keys here, or do they have the keys there? But I'm not gonna go off. I'm gonna be nice because I need my car. Good morning. How are you today? I'm all right. My name is Laura. I dropped off my car on Monday, and it's still parked there where it was towed. I thought that it would have been looked at least by now, per what I was told when I dropped it off. He said probably by Tuesday we'll,
Right.
But then when I was just talking to, what's her name in there, Jada, she said it's gonna be at least a week before they look at it. And
Not a week. It's the next morning line we looked at. Some of the repairs yesterday to go the line that they were expecting. So there should be something there's a 10% chance that it probably won't get looked at today, but there's a 90% chance that it will be looked at today.
Okay, here's my problem. I'm gonna solve my own problem. Two things. One, I need my key because there's something in there that I need to get out. I didn't expect it to be this long, and I'm just kind of like in limbo, and I just need some help with that.
Right. Well, with being a hybrid, there is certain tests that we do have to perform. It's not just a random or a UV test. So on the technical thing, figure out what's the problem that everyone has on the battery check. The battery itself is one of the things that you should do. So how long it's going to be, like what's going to change, you don't know.
Right. I mean, that part is fine. You know what I'm saying? Like, it does, to me, I get it. Like, those things are going to take time to repair. I just didn't realize that it was going to take an extended amount of time to be diagnosed.
Right. I mean, we have
And that's
17 cars back here right now.
right. I get that. I'm just saying I didn't know that. So, can I?
When your advisor came by, so we talked about on Monday, when we expecting to look at, and the company said it was
Okay.
why I got to
Right. Well, thank you for sharing that with me. It puts me at ease because I have a lot of like I'm really stressed out about this. Can I have the key so I can get my work badge out? So I might get a call today, I might not.
Get it off there.
Okay. Thank you. You gotta take me to my car, can't you?
Okay, is this car sitting out here? I think that's what it said.
Yeah.
Okay.
I said you gotta take me to it. Y'all think I'm gonna drive off in it? Don't even work. It's mine. Y'all haven't even looked at it yet. I just need to get a badge.
Oh, okay.
I don't need no help.
You don't need a cargo truck, huh? Get stuff out, right?
No, I just need to unlock it. I need them to look at it.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Because, I've been here since Monday.
Yeah.
Now I'm really getting pissed off.
I got you.
So as you can see in the last clip, my car is still not ready. They're not even trying to fix that shit. So now I'm a little stressed out. I have my rental until Saturday for right now. But I have to go back to work Sunday. And so I don't even think my car is going to be ready. They haven't even looked at it. And he's like, it's next up on the list. Bitch, you lying. You just telling me that because I'm hearing your face. That shit ain't next on your list. But they say when it rains, it pours. It's pouring. We got a little shower storm right now, but it's okay. It's all right. It's going to be okay. So I'm just going to keep this car for the time being, and we'll come back to it on Saturday. I really do hope that the car people call me today and have at least looked at the shit. Because I think that's my main problem, is that it just feels like there's no sense of urgency. And I understand that you have other vehicles. Like, I get that. But it shouldn't take you 3 days to look at somebody's car. Like, that's just not acceptable, in my opinion. I don't work on cars. I don't know what it all entails, but shit, it shouldn't be that hard. I bought the bitch in on a fucking tow truck. Push that bitch back there and look at it. Like, let me know what the hell is going on. So, really needed a drink, because I'm just like really stressed out. So I ordered a mimosa. I'm glad Cracker Barrel have mimosas now. You didn't know that, you know. So hopefully we good. Cause now this music is playing really loud, and y'all know I don't be trying to get no copyright strikes. Nobody got time for that.